In this video, I will be reviewing a new enhancement for the CheckMate 14 2024 release, which is about saving and recalling window sizes. Now, there is an important rule when setting the window size. The graphics window can neither be maximized nor minimized, so we don't want it minimized. And let's bring it up. And we don't want it maximized like that either. We want it in here where you can see the, I'm going to say the window border. Okay, so that's what you need to have. So let's go ahead and let's adjust this window size. And let's bring up the programming browser. Okay, and on the Utilities tab here, you can see there's two commands here. Save window positions and recall window positions. So let's go ahead and hit save window positions. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jumble these all around. Let's hide that one, and then let's take this one here and let's make it a lot smaller here. Okay, so now if we want to recall them, we could even be starting up SolidWorks and CheckMate. Doesn't really matter. We could bring up a new file, and let's go and hit the recall button. And here they are. So it comes back. Now, again, this only works if I have a single file open, but I can have multiple viewports open, like my special views. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.